Hello, children. Welcome to Riot Tuition Classes. We are starting with the next of the solid figures, that is cone. A cone, please have a look. A cone is a solid figure which has one curved surface area, and one round surface, bottom round surface. It has one curved surface area and a bottom round surface. Okay, you can see it, children. Curved surface area and a bottom round surface. It has got a base radius r. You can see, I mark the radius here, children. The base radius R. You can see here, children, base radius R. It has got this red segment is called a perpendicular height. Red segment is called a perpendicular height. This blue segment is called a slant height. You can clearly see, children, all these three, they are the sides of a right angle triangle. So remember this formula, children. L square equal R square plus H square. L square equal R square plus H square. So, right, Pythagoras theorem, children. L, R, and H are the three sides of a right angle triangle. So, naturally, children, I just say the three sides of a right angle triangle satisfies the Pythagoras relation. Hence, children, L square equal R square plus H square. Now you can see, children, it has got one curved surface. Now this curved surface is given by the formula. Children, this curved surface is given by the formula, curved surface area is given by the formula pi r l. Pi, you know the constant value, either 22 by 7 or 3.4. R is the radius of the base of the cone and L is the slant height. That means for finding the area, we require slant height. We don't require perpendicular height. We require only slant height, pi RL. So curved surface area of a cone is given by the formula pi RL. Total surface area of a cone is given by the formula. Total surface area of a cone is given by the formula, children. Pi RL plus one round surface area has got pi R square. Pi RL plus curved surface area plus round surface area. But this common is what? Pi R. So L plus R. So again my way. Curved surface area. Try to remember. Curved surface area is given by the formula pi RL. Curved surface area is given by the formula pi RL. Total surface area should be a bigger number than the curved surface area. See how the bigger number is obtained. Same pi, same R. But here only L is written. Here I'm going to write L plus R so that it becomes a bigger number. L plus R. Got it? So total surface area. So these are the three formulas right now. Okay. Now the fourth formula, children. Remember volume. Now this volume of a cone is something. Please have a look here. Here it's tapering. Cone is tapering. So this fraction 1/3 comes pi r square h, 1/3 pi r square h. Like suppose you have a cone, okay? You have a cone, and you have a cone with you, and you have a cylinder also. Please here, you have a cone and you have a cylinder. Yeah, just 2 minutes. Give me just 2 minutes, children. Hear what happens. This cone and the cylinder, they have a same radius. They have a same radius and same height. They have a same radius and same height. Same radius and same height. Okay. They have a same radius and same height. You can see here, they have the same radius and same height. You can see here, children, I have drawn it. Okay, rough figure just enough to help you understand. This is R. This has got the same radius R. And they have got the same height H, children. They have got the same height H. Okay, the height of the cone and height of the cylinder are same. The radius are same. Now, if I fill water in this cone, I fill water in this cone and empty that water into the cylinder, and what I realize, only 1/3 of the cylinder gets filled up with that water. When I empty from the cone, when I empty this water into the cylinder, only 1/3 of the cylinder gets filled up. That means volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So remember these four formulas for a cone. Whenever you come across a word cone, these four formulas should come to your mind. L square equal r square plus h square. Curved surface area is pi r l. Total surface area bigger number, so pi r l plus r. And volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Now we'll solve sums based on this code, sums based on this formulas of cone, okay? Question number one, children. What it says is perpendicular height of a cone. We are talking about a cone, children. We are talking about a cone for a cone, okay? We are talking about a cone. Perpendicular height of a cone is 12 centimeter. Perpendicular height is represented by h 12 centimeter. Perpendicular height is 12 centimeter. And its slant height L is 13 centimeter. Slant height L is 13 centimeter. Find the radius of the base. You know there is a formula which relates all these three L, R, and H. What is the formula, children? Pythagoras relation formula. What is that? L square equal R square plus H square. People cannot forget this, children. L square equal R square plus H square. So L is 13 square equal 12 square plus 13 square plus 12 square. Oh, 1 minute, children. We don't know the radius. We want to find the radius. L square equal R square plus 12 square. Now, you know, children, you know 13 square, 169, okay? R square plus what is 12 square, 144. So 169 minus 144 is equal to R square. So 25 is equal to R square. So R is equal to square root of 25, 5 centimeter. So radius of the base is 5 centimeter. Radius of the base is 5 centimeter. Very simple sum, children. We go to the next question. Find the volume of a cone if its total surface area is 7128 square centimeter and radius of the base is 28 centimeter. Volume of the cone, find the volume of the cone if its total surface area is 7128 square centimeter and radius of the base is 28 centimeter. A very simple question, children. You can see what is given. Find the volume of a cone. You have to find the volume of a cone. Volume of a cone का formula क्या है? 1/3 pi r square h. That means अगर cone का volume निकालना है तो you have to use this formula. Okay, volume is for children 1/3 pi r square h. That means if you want to find the volume, you should know the value of pi, which I know 22/7. You should know the radius of the base. Oh, radius of the base also I know, but h is not given, children. If h is not given, I have to find the value of h. How can I find the value of h? So when you look at this, some children, what is given? Let's say find the volume of a cone. We're talking about a cone, for a cone. Okay, what is given about this cone, children? For a cone. If its total surface area is 7128 square centimeter, total surface area is given. Total surface area is given. Okay, how much it is given? 7128. Now, total surface area also has a formula, children. Total surface area is no doubt given, but total surface area has a formula for itself. Got it? So I said always, this is a hint, okay? We have to use this formula of total surface area. And what else is given? Radius is given, 28 centimeter. So now you can see, children, we are going to use first the formula for total surface area. Total surface area is given to us. So total surface area formula is what? Total surface area is pi RL, pi RL, L plus R. So now you can see, children, when I substitute the values, only one thing is unknown. What thing? 7128 equal pi is 22/7 into R. R is pi R L plus R. Pi R formula is pi R L plus R. So 22/7 into pi R is 28. And into L we don't know, but 28, R is 28. That means, please have a look here, 7 1 times, 7 4 times. Now what will happen? 7 1 2 8, the whole thing upon this 22 and 4 will come down. 22 into 4 is equal to L plus 28. That means only L is unknown. You can see I can find that, okay? 11 two times, this number goes in 11. 11 6 are 66, remainder 5, 52. 11 5 is 55. I repeat, 11 6 are 66, 52. So 11 fours are 11 fours are 44. So what is remaining, children? 4s are 44. 52 minus 44 is 8. 88. 8s are. Again, children, this goes in 2's table. 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 324. This goes in 81. Okay, 2 4 ones are, 4 81s are. So ultimately, 81 is equal to L plus 28. So 81 minus 28 is equal to L. So how much it will become, children? You can see this is 53. 53 equal L. But L I don't want. L I don't want. I want to find volume. The formula is 1/3 pi r square h. Pi मालूम है, r मालूम है, लेकिन h नहीं मालूम. लेकिन मुझे L मिल गया. So L is 53 centimeter. I think now L will help me to get this. You know the formula L square equal R square plus H square. So 53 square equal R is 28 square plus H square. So 53 square minus 28 square is equal to H square. This plus 28 square goes that side. Now this is in the form of A square minus B square. 53 minus 28 into 53 plus 28. So how much you get, children? Equal H square, okay? So when you do this, 53 minus 20, 13 minus 8 is 5. So this is 25. You can clearly see this is 25, children. Okay, what I'll get, children? I'll get 25 into 81 is equal to H square. So now what will happen? H I want H square root of 25 and 81. Everybody knows that. It is H is equal to 5 and 81 square root is 9. So H is equal to 5 nines of 45. 5 nines of 45 square units. 45 centimeters, sorry. H is equal to 45 centimeters. I'm so sorry, children. Now I think I can find my volume. Volume equal 1/3 pi r square h. Now you know all the values. 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28 r square. R is 28 and h is also 45, we know. Now you can see here 7 1 time, 7 4 times. 3 1 time, 3 15 times. Now I know 22 into 28 when I multiply 22 into 28, 22 28s are 616 into 15 fours are 60. So 0, 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6 9, 6 6 are 36. So 3,000, 36,960. Sorry, 3,000. 36,960 cubic centimeter. Okay, cubic centimeters over. Very important, some children. Such questions can be asked in your exam. I come to question number 3. Question number 3, children. Curved surface area of a cone is 251.2 centimeters square, and the radius of the base is 8 centimeter. Find its slant height and perpendicular height. I repeat, curved surface area of a cone is 251.2 centimeters square. That means we are talking about a cone, and what is given? First step, I write for a cone. Okay, and then I write curved surface area of the cone is how much, children? Curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area is given by curved surface area of a cone is given by the formula, children. How much? 251.2 centimeters square. And the radius of the base, R, radius of the base कितना है बेटा? 8 centimeter. Find its slant height and perpendicular. L भी नहीं मालूम बेटा, H भी नहीं मालूम. And pi's value, you can take it as 3.14. So how you start, children? Very simple. Curve surface area का formula है. Curve surface area is given to us. Curve surface area is a formula. So I told you there's a hint, use this formula. Curve surface area is equal to, children, pi r l. Now whichever values you're going to put 251.2 decimal, you're shifting by one place, so natural upon 10 equal pi is 3.14. You're shifting the decimal by two place, so 1 and 2 zeros down, into radius is 8 into L is unknown. Only L is unknown. So जो भी L unknown है, जो भी L का साथ ऊपर है वो नीचे आएगा, नीचे ऊपर जाएगा. 2512 multiplied by 100 upon 10 into 314 into 8 is equal to L. So what will happen, children? You can see this 10 ka cancel ho gaya beta. And this is this, like 8 fours are 32. 2 is the ending here. So 314 को 8 times से multiply करेगा तो 2512 ही आएगा. 8 fours are 32. 8 ones are 8 plus 3 11. 8 threes are 24. 2512. So you can see 314 one time, 314 8 times. 8 one time, 8 one time. So what is remaining? L equal 10. L equal 10. So one answer we got, L equal 10. The next one, they want perpendicular height H. So when R and L are known, you can use that formula L square equal, and H is unknown, so we can use the formula R square equal L square plus H square. So L is 10 square is equal to 8 square plus H square. So 100 is equal to 64 plus H square. So 100 plus 64 goes on the other side, minus 64 is equal to L square, H square. So 36 equal H square. So H is equal to 6 centimeter. So you've got both the answers, children, slant height and total surface area. So very simple question, children. We move on to question number 4, children. Number 4, children. Now, what question number 4 says? What will be the cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet? Closed cone of tin sheet having radius of base 6 meter and slant height 8 meter. If the rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter, what will be the cost of making? Okay, cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet. You're making a closed cone out of a tin sheet. If I give you a paper and I tell you make a closed cone out of this paper, that means this cone is going to be hollow and only the paper will be covering the curved surface as well as the top surface. Are you getting me, children? So instead of saying paper, I say make a closed cone out of tin sheet. This is a tin sheet. Okay, make a closed cone out of tin sheet. So it is hollow from inside. It has only a surface on curved surface as well as the top surface, which are covered by tin sheet. I hope people are getting me. It's hollow from inside. That means I wanted to know it's not a question of volume. It's not a question of volume. It's a question of area because it has only area. So what will be the cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet having radius of base 6 meter? Matlab for closed cone, okay, what is the radius? They given to you as radius of the base is 6 meter. And what is the slant height given to you as 8 meter? And the rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter. You can see this also a hint. Rate of making equal rupees 10 per square meter. मतलब एक स्क्वायर मीटर के लिए रुपीज 10, यूनिट एरिया के लिए रुपीज 10, यूनिट एरिया के लिए स्क्वायर मीटर यूनिट एरिया. So naturally, we should know total area in the cone. Okay, total area in the cone. Matlab, because it's a closed cone, it has total surface area. So what I do, I'm going to calculate the total surface area of the cone first. Total surface area will be pi r into L plus R. And you can see here, children, pi is not given. So naturally, when the value of pi is not given, I said we should take the value of pi as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7. And what is the radius given to you? Making radius of base 6 meter, okay? And slant height is also given 8 plus 6. So when I do it, 22 upon 7 into 6 into 14. So and 1 times and 2 times. So 22 into 12, that is nothing but 264 square meter. So how much is the total surface area of cone, children? Total surface area of cone is 264 square meter. Now rate of making a cone is rupees 10 per square meter. Rate of making equal rupees 10 per square meter. Therefore, cost of making the making closed cone is equal to what it is, total area. Closed cone is equal to total area, total surface area of the cone into rate. So what is the total surface area? I got 264. And what is the rate of making? Rupees 10 per square meter. So this is rupees 2640. This answer was for me in the cook. Very simple sum, children. Very easy question. We move on to the next sum, children. Very simple question. We move on to the next. Question number 5, children. Volume of a cone is 6,280 cubic centimeter, and the base radius of the cone is 30 centimeter. Find its perpendicular height. Volume of a cone. We are talking about a cone, children. So I say for a cone, okay? And this volume of a cone is given as how much, children? Volume of this cone is given by volume of the cone is given by volume of cone is 6,280 cubic centimeter. You know, volume of a cone, there's a formula, and volume of a cone is given. That means compulsory I had to use formula volume of a cone. And what is this given? Radius of the base of the cone is given as 30 centimeter. And simple, they want height of the perpendicular height. So what is the volume of a cone, children? Volume of a cone is given by the formula 1/3 pi r square h. Very simple sum. So in place of volume, you're going to substitute 6280. 1 upon 3. Pi is 3.14. Can I write 314 and shift write 1 and 2 zeros in the denominator? Now, r square. R is 30 into 30. And what is they want? H they want. So what happens? 6280. See, you want H. What is there on top with H will come down, children. What all will come down? 314 into 30 will come down. And what is there in the denominator will go up into 3 into 100. So simple, children. 1 0, 1 0, 1 3 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 ones are. 614 ones are 614 20s are. So ultimately, what I get, H is equal to 20 upon 3. 6 are 18.666. Therefore, H is equal to 6.67 centimeter. I can call it as centimeter. Perpendicular height they want. Okay, very simple sum, children. Very easy question. Okay, we go to the next sum, children. Question number 6. This question, I have taken it as given 6280. There has to be, please have a look here, there has to be some correction. Are you getting me here? Because what answer I got doesn't match with the back answer because of the correction. Okay, they want height as 8 centimeter. If height has to be 8 centimeter, then this has to be 24. Okay, that means here it should be some changes has to come here. Okay, some changes should be there. So that correction I don't have, so I just gave it to you like this. Okay, now so this is not wrong sum, this is very right sum with this numbers and wordings. Are you getting me here? Now we go to the next sum, children. Question number, we go to question number. Simple question, children. Surface area of a cone is 188.4 square centimeter. When this is surface area here, it is curved surface area, okay? And its plant height is 10 centimeter. Find its perpendicular height. Surface area of a cone. That means we are talking about a cone, and I told you what they're given here, surface area of a cone. So there are two surfaces, children, curved surface area and total surface area. But this is curved surface area. Okay, they are given the curved surface area. So curved surface area equal, how much are given, children? Curved surface area for cone equal 188.4 square centimeter. Slant height L equal 10 centimeter. Now remember, they wanted to find the perpendicular height. Need not worry about perpendicular height, but remember one curved surface area of cone is given. This curved surface area, I told you children, has a formula. So naturally, you have to use that formula first. Curved surface area equal pi RL. So when you look at it, 1884 upon 10 is equal to, have they given us a value of pi, children, here in this sum? Yes, they've given us a value of pi as 3.14. That means you have to take pi as 3.14, 314 upon 100 into r is not given into 10. This 1010 will get cancelled. Now I want r. So whatever, please have a look here, 1884. What is then the denominator will go on top, and whatever that in the numerator will come down 10 into 314, okay, is equal to r. So 10 gets cancelled, 314 6 got it. When you look at it, it is 1884. So what is r? R is equal to 6 centimeter. But r is not the answer. They want perpendicular height. But don't you agree L and r रहेगा तो h निकाल सकता हूँ, L square equal r square plus h square. Got it? So 10 square equal 6 square plus h square. So 100 equal 36 plus h square. So h square equal 100 minus 36. So h square equal 64. So h equal 8 centimeter. So this is the answer, children. What is perpendicular height of this cone? Okay, 8 centimeter. We go to the next sum, children. Question number. Volume of a cone is 1232 centimeter cube. 1232 centimeter cube volume is given and its height is 24 centimeter. Height be there. Find the surface area of cone. Again, when they refer surface area of cone is this curved surface area. So you have to get curved surface area. Curved surface area का formula क्या है बेटा? Curved surface area निकालना है. Okay. कर्व सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला है पाई आर एल. तो आप देख सकते हो पाई का वैल्यू 22/7 लेना है इसमें. Pi ka value 22/7 radius. Have they given us the radius of the cone? No. Have they given us a slant head of the cone? No. That means a radius and slant head you'll have to find. Okay, anyhow, first let us try to write down for a cone. What is given, children, for a cone? In short, we'll write for a cone. Okay, they're given us for a cone, they're given us volume equal, volume of a cone equal 1232 centimeter cube. Height कितना दिया? Height equal 24 centimeter. पाई का वैल्यू 22/7 लेना है. नाउ लिसन, और कुछ नहीं दिया है. तो वॉल्यूम इक्वल, प्लीज हैव अ लुक, वॉल्यूम इज नोन एंड वॉल्यूम हैज अ फॉर्मूला. सो आई टोल्ड यू दिस अ हिंट, कंपल्सरी आपको फॉर्मूला वॉल्यूम यूज करना ही है. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन इज 1/3 pi r square h. So 1232 is equal to 1/3 22/7 into r square नहीं मालूम लेकिन h मालूम है 24. Now r square you want. So 1232 इंटू 3/7. जो आर स्क्वायर मांगता है, जो नीचे है ऊपर जाएगा, जो ऊपर है नीचे आएगा. तो क्या क्या नीचे आएगा बेटा? 22 विल कम डाउन, 24 will come down, is equal to r square. Now get very easy, children. 3 one time, 3 8 times 24. 8 one time 43. 8 fives are 40. 32. 8 fours are 32. This 22 ones are 22 sevens are. Sevens are. तो बच गया क्या? 7 into 7. So 7 into 7 equal r square. So r equals 7 centimeter. Okay, but still we require L. Now L square equal r square plus h square. Okay, L we don't know, but L square equal 7 square plus 24 square. So L square equal 49 plus 576. So L square equals 625. So L equal root of 625. So L equal 25 centimeter. Now you came to know, children, its slant height is L is 25. I think now I can find, they said, please here find the surface area of the cone. So surface area of the cone is nothing but curved surface area. That's why I say curved surface area equal pi RL, children. Pi RL. Pi is 22/7. R is, we got R as 7. And this as 25. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Children, 22 into 25 is 550 square centimeter. I hope everybody is clear with this sum, children.